We are one of the largest colleges in the UK.
Delivering high-quality education and training across the capital region of Wales.
30,000 o ddysgwyr ydyn ni.
A dynamic and motivated staff of subject specialists and industry experts.
Training people in top-class facilities, online, in the community and in the workplace.
Ledled yr Ambath, y Deyrnas Unedig a Phi Hunt.
We are Cardiff and Vale College.
In our most recent inspections, Estyn, His Majesty's Inspectorate for Education and Training, provided us with excellent feedback across all areas of our work.
With full-time learners like me.
Dysgwyr oedolion rhan amser fel fi.
Higher education learners like me.
And apprentices like me.
All going on to achieve our qualifications at CFSC.
We develop skilled and employable people.
Providing unique opportunities for all of us.
To stand out from the crowd and progress.
Gan gynnwys lleoliadau gwaith ystadlon, briefiau byw cyffrous.
Trips of a lifetime.
And industry skills competitions.
Lle cawson yn cydnabod am fod ymysgu gorau yng Nghymru, y Deyrnas Unedig a'r byd am yr hyn rydym yn wneud.
We challenge more able and talented learners to be the best they can be.
Supporting individuals like me to gain places in leading universities.
We provide opportunities for our learners.
I ddilyn ein byddwydion ac aflawniwch ymwelyn cwrs.
From performing arts
to our sports academies,
which saw more learners than ever before play for the college, their country and be crowned national champions.
We are Microsoft Showcase College.
Leading the way in providing digital skills that prepare us for our future.
Rydym yn galluogi mwy o ddysgwyr I astudio a byw eu bywyd trwy gyfrwng y Gymraeg.
We place a real focus on support, providing learners with a pathway to progress, whatever their starting point.
And as ever, we place health and well-being at the heart of what we do.
We were recognised as one of the best in the sector and commended for our work.
We received the Princess Royal Training Award for our work supporting teaching excellence.
Gained the Investors and People Gold Accreditation for our commitment to our colleagues.
We are Leaders in Diversity, awarded College of the Year, and recognised as second in the UK for promoting fairness, respect, equality, diversity, inclusivity and engagement across the communities we serve.
A mae'n staff a myfyrwyr rhagorol cael eu cydnabod ar lefel genedlaethol am eu cyflawniadau hefyd.
We do the right thing.
Listening, learning and evolving.
And responding to the needs of our community, tackling poverty and inequality, and developing opportunities where they don't currently exist.
We are a college's sanctuary helping more refugee and asylum seekers to learn and progress.
Ni yw'r darparod mwyaf o Saesneg ar gyfer siaradwyr ieithoedd eraill.
Pioneers of the Junior Apprenticeship Programme in Wales, changing the lives of 14 to 16-year-olds.
Champions of lifelong learning, working with thousands of adults each year from communities across the region.
And we work globally in new and different ways.
Growing the number of international students learning with CAVC.
We continue to invest in our sites and facilities, providing great places to learn now and for future generations.
Gan cynnwys buddsoddiau 100 miliwn o bunnau mewn campusau newydd ym Mro Morgannwg.
In Campws Glanair Bari, campws coleg bywiog newydd sbon a fydd yn trawsnewid dysgu ar gyfer ei myfyrwyr a'r gymuned leol.
A'r ganolfan technoleg uwch, campws ar flaen y gad I gefnogi cyflogwyr a sectorau cyfan I ateb anghenion sgiliau'r dyfodol a ffontio I Seronet.
We are a trusted partner to industry.
With Cardiff and Vale College Group remaining the largest provider of apprenticeships in the country.
Gan weithio ar draws 40 sector gwahanol yn cynnwys llwybrau arloesol a anebyddur fel y goreuon yn y Deyrnas Unedig.
Rydym yn cefnogi cyflogwyr mawr, busnesau bach a chanolig a microbusnesau yn y sectorau preifat, cyhoeddus a trydydd sector.
Helping organisations to upskill, reskill and diversify their workforce and meeting the needs of priority sectors.
And making an impact.
Yn cefnogi un o'r dinasoedd sy'n tyfu gyflymaf ac un o'r ranbarthau mwyaf amrywiol y Deyrnas Unedig.
Contributing £500 million to the economy of the Cardiff capital region and more than £1 billion to society.
We are inspirational,
ambitious, proactive and lead by example.
We are inclusive.
One unique team working together for the benefit of all.
We are influential.
Rydym yn hybu adfywiad cymdeithasol ac economaidd.
We change lives through learning.
We are Cardiff and Vale College.
ما در کالج کاردیف در ویلز هستیم.
ما از کالج کاردیف ویل.
Miss Cardiff and Vale College days.
We are Cardiff and Vale College.
Ni yw Coleg Caerdydd ar Rôl.